morning everyone. So let us start our class. So till question number 5 we have done, right? So question number 6, which is also similar to like question number 5 only, you have to just look the characteristics and you have to give the value. Okay, only in this case what we have to say about the number of zeros between the decimal point and the first significant digit after the decimal point. Okay, and in question number 5 it was simply find the number of integers. Okay, find the number of digits. So in that case the formula was n minus 1, but since it is now number of zeros, so the formula will be what? Minus of n plus 1. Okay, so let us start. So number 1, number 6, number 1, 2 to the power minus 64. Number 6, number 1, 2 to the power minus 64. Solution, say let x will be equal to 2 to the power minus of 64, which implies log of x will be equal to log of 2 to the power minus 64, which is equal to this minus 64 will come over here, then this what? Log of 2. Okay, so now put the value of log of 2. Try to keep in mind this value. This is what? 0.30103. So find the product of 64 into 30103. Okay, so 64 into 0.30103 will be what? 19.26592. Okay, so this will be what? Minus 19.26592. 26592. Okay, but the problem is what? The mantissa is what? The mantissa is negative. Okay, so which is equal to, we will make the mantissa positive. That means what? At first I will break this one. Minus 19 minus 0.26592. Okay, so now how I will write this minus 19? I need a plus 1. Okay, so if I need a plus 1, then I will write this minus 19 how? Minus 20 plus 1, then again minus 0.26592. Means very simple. Minus 19 is there, right? So I will write like that: minus 19 plus 1 and minus 1, or say like that: minus 19, 1 minus 1 and 1 plus 1. Okay, same thing, this will get cancelled. So minus 19 and minus 1 is what? Minus 20, and it is what? Plus 1. So shortcut I have written directly minus 20 plus 1, and then what is there? Minus 0.26592. So now subtract this one. This will be equal to what? Minus 20, then plus, then 0. What will come? Over here it will become 8, then 0, 6, 4, 3, 7. 0.73408. So this will be equal to what? Which is equal to, this is negative and this mantissa is what? Mantissa is positive. So I can write this one as what? 20 bar 0.73408. 20 bar 0.73408. So now what is the characteristics over here? 20 bar. What is 20 bar? Minus of 20. So minus 20 from which formula? Minus of n plus 1. Okay, so since it is n plus 1, so how will you express 20 in plus 1? 19 plus 1, isn't it? Or you can think like that also. Over here it was plus 1, so over here it will become what? Minus 1. 20 minus 1 is what? 19. So how many zeros will be there? What is the value of n over here? 19. 19 plus 1 is what? 20, isn't it? So we'll write since characteristics is equal to, say, minus 20. Okay, what is the characteristics? Minus 20. 20 bar means what? Minus 20. Since characteristics is minus 20, so therefore number of zeros between the decimal point and the first significant digit Therefore, the number of zeros between the decimal point and the first significant digit after the decimal point, after the decimal point will be equal to what? So how many zeros will be there between the decimal point and the first significant digit after the decimal point? How much? 19 zeros will be there. How many? 19 zeros. So there will be 19 zeros. If there is 19 zeros, then only we will write the characteristics as 20 bar. Understood? So very simple question. Just you have to look the characteristics and you have to give the answer. Say one more I am doing. Others you can do by yourself only. Say for example, all are same only. 1 by 2 to the 400. Say number 5 I will do. Okay. Consisting of a decimal. Say for example number 5. Point 0016 to the power what? To the power 20. Okay, so solution let x is equal to what? 0.0016 to the power 20. So which implies log of x will be equal to what? 20 log 0.0016. 20 log 0.0016. So which implies log of x will be equal to 20 log, this I can write what? 16 into 10 to the power how much? 1, 2, 3, 4, isn't it? 10 to the power minus 4. Okay. Now break this one, which implies log of x will be equal to what? This will become 2 log 16 plus 2 log 10 to the power minus 4. Okay. 2 log 16 plus what? 2 log 10 to the power minus 4. Okay. So which implies log of x will be equal to what? 2 log 16 I can write how? 2 to the power 4. Okay. Then this minus 4 will come over here. 4 to the 8 plus minus 8 log 10. Now log 10 is 1. So which implies log x will be equal to, this will come over here, 4 to the 8 log 2. Okay, 4 to the 8 log 2 minus what? 8. So put the value of log 2. We will have what? 8 log 2 minus what? 8. So which implies, okay, sorry, there is one mistake. Over here it is 20 and I have written 2. Okay, over here it is 20 and I have written 2. So okay, so the video got stopped due to some reason. Okay, so the mistake was what? I have written 2 in place of 20. So I have to change this one. Okay, so this thing will be changed. Again I am writing this part. So say this will be what? 20 log of this, right? So this will be 20. Say keep this 20 outside only. Log of 16 plus log of 10 to the power minus 4. Okay. So which is equal to 20 log of 16. I can write what? 2 to the power 4. And this minus 4 will come over here. So plus minus 4 log of what? 10. So this is 20. So which implies log of x will be equal to 20 4 log 2 minus 4, isn't it? Log 10 is what? 1. So put the value of log 2, which implies log of x will be equal to 20 4 into 0.30103 minus 4. Okay. So multiply log of x will be equal to 20 4 into 3.30103, isn't it? 4 into 0.30103, 1.20412. This will be what? 1.20412. 1.20412. 20412 minus 4. 1.20412 minus 4. So subtract from your 4. How much you will get? This will be equal to log of x will be equal to 20 into how much? After subtracting it from 4, we will get how much? Minus 2.79. Minus 2.79 588. 2.79588. So which implies log x. Now multiply this with 20. Now if I do into 20, how much I will get? Minus 55.9176. Minus 55.9176. So do the calculation properly. I am using calculator like right now, okay, for doing the calculation. Otherwise the video will take it will be longer and calculation mistake might also happen. So it is better I am doing it with the help of calculator, but you will do it with your own hand, okay. Don't use calculator. So okay, log x value how much you have got? Minus 55.9176. Now this is over here the manticize or the manticize negative. So which implies log of x will be equal to the second letter minus 56 plus 1 and then minus 0.9176. Okay, minus 56 plus 1 and then minus 0.9176. So which implies log of x will be equal to minus of 56 plus 0. How much? This will be 4, 2, 8 and this is what? 0. So how much you will get? Combine log of x will be equal to 56 bar 0.0824. 56 bar 0.0824. So since characteristics is equal to 56 minus 56, since characteristics is equal to minus of 56, or you can write 56 bar also if you want. 56 bar is minus 56 only. So therefore number of zeros will be how much? Number of zeros will be equal to how much? How will we write 56? 55 plus 1. So number of zeros will be how much? 55. Or you can think like this also. How many zeros will be there? 56 minus 1, that is 55. Or you can use the formula, that is minus of n plus 1 will be equal to what? Minus of 56. So minus minus cancelled. N plus 1 is equal to 56. So n will be equal to how much? 55. So simple question. This type of questions comes in the exam, okay. So now rest of the question you can do by yourself. Only the problem is where in calculation, okay. Do the calculation correctly. Okay, then let us see question number 7 now. Find the values. So since over here value is asked, so we have to find what? We have to use or we have to find anti-logarithm. Okay, we need the value of the variable. So we need what? We need anti-logarithm. Okay. So all questions are similar only. You see, power is there, square root is there. So calculation is similar, only just it will be lengthy. That much is the fact. So I will do number 7, number 5. Okay. Square root is also there, whole square is also there, cube root is also there. Okay. Question number 4 is also, it's quite lengthy only. Other than that, everything is same. Okay. Only one thing you keep in mind. Question number 4, the question will be what? This one. In denominator it is what? 5 square into what is there? 3125 whole cube. 3125. Okay. 3125 what is there? Whole cube is there. Only the problem is where? Over here it will become point will come on. Okay. 0.3125 whole cube. Or else your answer will not match with the book. Okay. So this one you correct the question, it will become 0.3125 and rest the question is same, you will get the answer. Okay. So let us, I will do question number 5. You try 1, 2, 3 and 4, and if you have any problem to find the answer, then you can ask me. Okay. Number 7, number 5. All questions are by the way similar only. This is also, I think so it will be also long. Cube root of 125 into 147 divided by 21 into what? 21 into 32 whole square, isn't it? Whole square. Okay, so done. So solution start in the same way. Let x is equal to what? Cube root of 125 into 147 21 into 32 whole square. Okay, so log x you can bring now also. Say I will do one more step, which implies x will be equal to 125 into 147 divided by 21 into 32. This is whole square, and then what? To the power 1 by 3. Okay, so which implies x will be equal to 125 into 147 divided by 21 into 32, and this will be what? This will be 2 by 3. Okay, so now I will use log x, so which implies log of x will be equal to log of 125 into 147 divided by 21 into 32, 2 by 3. Okay, done. So keep on solving, which implies log of x will be equal to what? 2 by 3 will come in the front. 2 by 3 log of 125 into 147 divided by 21 into 32. Okay, so now 2 by 3, right? Log of 125, 147, 21 and 32. Okay, so 125 I can write, which implies log of x 2 by 3 log of 125 is what? 5 cube. Okay, 21 is 3 7 ja 21, and then 32 is 2 to the power 5. 147 is 147, 7 2 ja 14, 7 1 ja 7 3 ja. So this is 7 square into 3. 7 square into 3. This is 147. Okay. Now let us continue then, which implies log of x will be equal to 2 by 3. If I break this one directly, this will become what? 3 log 5 plus 2 log 7. Directly I am doing this one. Okay, this part will be plus, isn't it? This part will be minus m by n. Okay, so you keep in mind, yes, this middle portion will be plus, but since one minus will be outside, so minus plus will be what? Minus. I am doing it directly. If you want, it is better if you do step by step only. Okay, 3 log 5 plus 2 log 7 plus log 3. Now one minus will stay, so that will make what? Minus of log 3. Again then plus will stay, but minus plus what will happen? Minus of log 7, and then minus of 5 log 2. Okay, so that much. So we can combine them a little bit. Okay, so which implies log of x will be equal to 2 by 3 log 5 log 5 log 5 log 5 log 5, no log 5. So 3 into what? Log of 5 plus log 7. 2 log 7 minus log 7. 2 log 7 minus log 7 will be what? Plus log of 7 plus log 3 minus log 3 will get cancelled. So, and then what? Minus of 5 log 2. So put the value, which implies log of x will be equal to 2 by 3. 3 into the value of log 5. It is given, it will be given in the question paper also, but we have the value of log 5, right? 0.69897. 0.69897 plus the value of log 7. Okay, so the value of the log 7, these things will be given in the question. 0.8451. 0.8451. Okay, this is the value of what? Log 7. Then minus 5 into 0.30103. Okay, so we have got till this much. Okay, so now multiply this thing, which implies log of x will be equal to 2 by 3. Okay, 2 by 3. Then what is there? 3 into 0.69897. So we will get 2.09691. 2.09691. We will get how much? 2.09691. Okay, then plus 0.8451. Okay, then minus. Okay, log 7 value I have to see. I have written only 4 digits, right? Okay, so the battery is very low. So this one, log 7, you put one 0 over here. I have written only 8451. One more value is needed. Okay, you put one 0 and then minus 5 into 0.30103. Okay, so 5 into 30103. 1.50515. 1.505. 1.505. Then 15. Okay, so now keep on solving this one, which implies log of x. Calculations from now you can do by yourself only. So this part if I add, it will become how much? 2.09 691 plus 0.84510 and then minus 1.505 50515. This will be 1.43686. 1.43686. Okay, this will become 1.43686. so which implies log of x will be equal to, so you multiply this by 2 and then you divide this one by 3. Okay, at first you multiply this by 2, you will get how much? 2.87372. 2.87372. If I multiply this by 2, I will get 2.87372. 372 divided by 3. So log of x will be equal to, or you can divide by 3 at first. 0.9579. 0.9579. Okay, 0.9579. 0.9579. So I will write till this much only, because we have the value in table what? For 95, then 7, then mean difference. So more values, no need to write. Okay, so got log x equal to this. So now the last step is very simple. See, this much step is the same like we have done in question number 5 and question number 6. Log x, we have waited till log x. Okay, simply by looking the characteristics we used to write the answer. But now what you have to do, you have to find anti-log. So x will be equal to what? X will be equal to anti-log of what? 0.9579. So you find this value, 95 and 79. Okay, 95 and 79. So 95 and 79. 0.95 and then how much? 7. So 7 you will have over here 90573. 90573 plus 7 and what? 9 is there, right? That is 187. So 90760. How much we will get? 90760. Okay, which will be equal to 90760. Now the characteristics part, when the characteristics become 0, when? So 0 is considered the positive value, integer value, that one n minus 1 formula. When you will get 0? If the value of 1 is what? 1, then only 1 minus 1 is 0. So point will be what? Over here after 1 digit. Okay, then only 1 minus 1 will be what? 0. So this is the value 9.0760. This might not match exactly with the book answer because of decimal point problem. Maybe in the divide they have written some, maybe over here some 7 or 8 like that, I don't know. So it might not match with the book, but let us see. Even if it is 9.07, then also it is okay. So what is the answer given? Number 7, 9.076226. So many values are not there only in our table. 9.076226. So many values are not there in the table. Okay. So 9.07, it is correct. Okay. So this answer is correct. Okay. So this is how you have to do. Okay. Simple calculation, simple logarithm calculation, which you have done in class 9 also. Only that last part, NT-log. Okay. You have to do that one. Just find from the table you find. In the exam the value will be given. Okay. And characteristics, you see 0 means what? When will be the characteristic 0? When we write the characteristic 0? If the decimal is after 1 digit or not. N minus 1 equal to 0. N will be equal to what? 1. Means what? After 1 digit. So this is your answer. So you try rest of the question number 7, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Question number 4 you correct the question. And then if you have any problem you can ask. Okay. See question number 8. Question number 8 is also similar. Okay. Same like this, only up to what? 3 decimal places. So up to 3 decimal places you find. Okay. You have to show that this is equal to what? 12.843. So you take the LHS. You take left hand side. Same way, then x equal to, then log x. Then you find the value of x. The value of x should be what? 12.843. Your value should be what? 12.843 approximately. It should come. Okay. So same question, question number 8. Only the value is given. So you have to do what? Left hand side and right hand side. Question number 9. Question number 9 we will do in the next class. Okay. Question number 9. Then question number 10, 11. I will say the formula. I will start the question and rest you complete by yourself. Simple calculation will be there. Only the formula part I will show over here. 12, 13, 14. These all are same. Okay. So number 9 we will do in the next class. These questions I will show the formula part. And then 15 we will do. 16. Let's see. I think so we can end in our next video. Okay. So that's all for today's class. Thank you.